Hello everyone, my name is Komal Dadaji Ule, roll number 38, branch electrical, subject electric power generation. My presentation topic is thermal power plant. Content Introduction, working principle, general layout of thermal power plant, main equipments, wash generated and their control, advantages and disadvantages. Introduction: a thermal power plant converts the heat energy of coal into electrical energy. Coal is burnt in a boiler which converts water into steam. The expansion of steam in turbine produces mechanical power which drives the alternator coupled to the turbine. Thermal power plant contributed maximum to the generated of power of any country. Thermal power plant continuity 75.33% of the total insulated capacity on non-capacity power generated in India. In thermal generating station, coal, oil, natural gas, etc. are input are as primary sources of energy. Working principle: firstly, the water is taken into the boiler for a water source. First, boiler is heated with the help of coal. The increase in temperature helps in transformation of water into steam. The steam generated in the boiler is sent through the steam turbine. The steam the turbine has blades has rotated, then high velocity steam flowing across them. This rotate of turbine blades is used to generate electricity. A generation of connection to steam turbine. When the turbine turns, electricity is generated and given as output by the generator, which is then supplied to consumer through high voltage power lines. This is a general layout of thermal power plant. Main equipment: coal handling plant, polishing plant, boiler, turbine, condenser, cooling tower, and pounds, filled water heater, economizer, air preheater. Coal handling plant. Coal is transported to turbine station by roll and road and stored in coal storing plant and then closed. The function of coal handling plant is atmospheric field filling of coal to boiler furnaces. The, the turbine power station burns a economizer amount of coal, a 22 microwatt MW plant may require around 20 tons of coal daily. Pulley Pulverizing plant. Pulverizing plant. In modern thermal power plant, coal is pulverized. Example: round ground of dust like size and carried to furnace, furnace in steam of heat hot heater. Proposing in means importance imposing a large surface area to action of oxygen and concunnated helping conjugation. Pulsing process contains three stage classes classified as filling, drying, grinding. Boiler. The efficiency of boiler is generated steam at decided pressure. The pressure and temperature by transmission, heat produced by burning of fuel in a process of change water into steam. Turbine and thermal power plant generated three turbines are used increase the efficiency. First, high pressure turbine. Second, intermediate turbine. Third, low pressure turbine. Condenser. The surface condenser is shell and tube heat exchanger. There, cooling water flows through tubes and exhaust. Steam filled into a shell surround of tubes. As result, steam condenses outside the tubes. Cooling tower and pounds. A condenser needs a large quantity of water to condense the steam. Most plants use cooled cooling steam. Their warm water coming from condenser is cooled and reduced. Cooling tower is a steel air continuity hydraulic structure with a height of 10 10 and a field water heater. Field water heating improves overall plant efficiency. Thermal pressure due to cold water entering the boiler drum or avoid. Quality of steam produced by the boiler is increased. Economizer. Few gases coming out of boiler carry lot of heat and economizer exhausted a part of this heat for few gases and uses it for heating field water, saving cool impedance and higher boiler efficiency. Air preheater. The function of air preheater is to preheat the air before entering to formed by alternating some the energy left in the few gases before exhausting them to the atmosphere. Before few gases list economizer some factor heat can be exhausted for them and use the heat income heat cooling of fuel gases by 20 degree centigrade increases the plant efficiency by 1%. Wash generated and their control. Ash handling plant, water handling plant. Ash handling plant. The ash from the boiler is controlled into forms. Bottom ash, it is wash which is dumped into wash pound. Fly ash. Fly ash is separated for few gases in XAP. Water handling plant. Water in a power plant is used for produce of steam for rotating turbine, cooling process for cooling or vibrance quality equipment. Water is recycled and used for various process. Raw water for cooling process, steam, condenser, raw water, about 4 cube meter water is lost day. Advantages. The fuel used to cultivate chaff, less intensity cost compared to other generation station. It can be installed at any place in irrespectively to expansion of coal. The coal can be transported to the set of plant by rally or rule. Disadvantages: it is pollutes of atmosphere due to producing large amount of smoke, fuse, smaller maintenance cost or optimal cost, higher equipment and inward. Thank you for my watching video.